Hi, I'm Luke.Camphausen. I'll be making a video on how to use a slide rule. So recently, I was moving my granddad from his house into his new apartment, and when we were going through his stuff, we found this. He didn't want it anymore, so go ahead and brought it home. And it's a slide rule. I assume from when he was a young adult, so gotta be over 30 years old probably. Super nice, and just thought it was super interesting. Did some research, and turns out the person who made it, the Reverend William O'Herd, developed it in the 17th century based on the emerging work on logarithms by John Napier. And so this could be used to do logs, squares, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction before the electronic calculator. So it was very helpful for all those different things. And so basically, I'm going to show you guys how to do multiplication and division. So this is called the indicator, and then you have multiple different parts here. So if you want to do, say, 2 times 6, you would start here, and you would move the 2. So each of these is a unit. It's 1 to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it's logarithmic, so it gets shorter every time it goes. So you find the 2, bring it down to the 0. Put it right there. Make sure it's lined up using the indicator. And then say you want to do 2 times 3. You move that over here. Put on the 3. And then right on that line, it'll tell you what it is. So it's 6. That's how you do multiplication. Alright, now we're just going to do another problem. We're going to do a little bit more complicated problem. So let's do 3.2 4. Should be enough, a nice tough one, and then let's go ahead and multiply it by 2.1. So if we look here, that's 6.7, well, just short of 6.7. So if any of you want to check that on a calculator, I'm sure it would be correct. And now I'm going to show you how to do division. So say you want to divide 6 by 3. So you would line up 6 with 3. So we're going to line up right here. Put in just the indicator when you're lining things up. Makes it easier. And it's lined up. And then you just look at the end here. We got 2. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. And we do a little bit more complicated one. So let's do 6.2 divided by 6.2 divided by 3. That gives you about 2.325-ish. So that should be right. Anyone with a calculator can check that if you'd like. And that concludes my video on how to use a slide rule. At some point I may make a video on how to do squares and roots with it, but not today. So thank you.